Check out how this spins. Best unboxing ever. Fits right on the counter. Let's see how these pour. This is so satisfying. Labels are so easy to read. This is a game changer. Check out this rotating caddy. Unboxing is super fast. Setup is very simple. Look at it spin in my shower. It holds heavy bottles easily. This rotation is so smooth. Honestly, I love this thing. Watch this. This thing is a beast. Setup is super easy. Look at that go. Shreds perfectly every time. Best part? No mess. This Emersiga dish brush makes cleaning so easy. Just push the button to dispense soap right as you scrub, and the built-in scraper takes care of stuck-on food. It is honestly a kitchen must-have. Check out this mirror clock. It looks super clean. Setup is easy. Look at that display. Doubles as a mirror. And it has dimmers. Honestly, I love it. Check out this faucet extender. It has a full robotic arm. Just screw it right on, and look at this rotation. It makes rinsing so easy. Perfect for brushing your teeth. Honestly, this is a game changer. Look at this, a foldable washer. Just plug it in, add some water. It really cleans. Spin dries too. Folds right up. Let's try this. Unboxing is super simple. Setup is minimal. Just pour water in, add your eggs, and cover. Look at that steam. Perfect every time. Want perfect indoor s'mores? Check out this nostalgia maker. Setup is super easy. Just roast it right over the heater. Look at that golden brown toast. Melt that chocolate and enjoy. Best movie night treat. These clips are amazing. 12-pack, all different colors, super heavy duty, perfect for sealing up your big bags of chips. Look at that grip. It keeps everything fresh. They are magnetic. Definitely get these. These tiny magnets are crazy strong. You get 12 in this little box. Watch how it holds up this card and these photos. They don't slide at all. Seriously the best. Let's try this. Arthritis makes opening jars tough. This setup is so simple. Just grip and twist. Wow, that was effortless. Love this rubber grip. Highly recommend.